In 1870, Chancellor Otto Bismarck persuaded the South German states to accept the constitution of the North German Confederation, and a series of treaties to that effect were signed in November. The southern states were allowed to reserve certain rights, and a constitutional debate was thereby avoided. The constitution of the German Reich went into effect on January 1st of 1871. The new constitution of April 16th of 1871 merely formalized the residual rights of the states and apportioned representation in the upper house, the Bundesrat. The King of Prussia was proclaimed as emperor in Versailles on January 18th of 1871, a day of particular significance because it had been the coronation day of the first Prussian king, Frederick I. The Sun King's Palace was a military headquarters, and most of the German princes were in uniform for the coronation. Anton von Werner's painting captures the martial aspects of the event. The German Empire had been founded by blood and iron as the result of a victory over France. It was thus neither a peaceful nor a democratic process, and this was reflected in the ceremony. The Kaiser was proclaimed by the princes as medieval kings had been. William I had serious reservations about becoming German emperor. He wanted to be called Emperor of Germany and was outraged when Bismarck argued that the title would be unacceptable to the princes. On the eve of the proclamation, William said, "Tomorrow is the unhappiest day in my life. We will bury the Prussian monarchy, and you, Prince Bismarck, are responsible." The princes were also far from enthusiastic, fearing that liberals might thrive in the new Reich. Ludwig II of Bavaria had to be handsomely bribed from Bismarck's Gulf Fund, the money that had been seized from Hanover in 1866. Ludwig's brother, Prince Otto, was present at the ceremony and reported, "I cannot tell you how incredibly sad and pained I felt during this scene. Everything was so cold, proud, glittering, showy, boastful, heartless, and empty."